Imagine a car that blends the soul of the 1960s with the tech of tomorrow. A design so retro, yet so futuristic, it makes you stop and stare. Ladies and gentlemen, the legend is back and it's turning heads like never before. This is the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, and it's the retro comeback nobody saw coming. Before we dive into this jaw-dropping revival, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with fellow car lovers. Trust me, you won't want to miss what Volkswagen has crafted here. Starting at the front, the 2026 Karmann Ghia stuns with its perfectly circular LED headlights ringed in golden ambient light, evoking the classic bug-eyed look of the original. But don't be fooled. These aren't your granddad's headlights. They house matrix LED tech with adaptive beam control. The grille is slim, vertical, and deeply sculpted, flanked by a bold VW emblem, sitting proudly at the heart. Subtle air intakes and an aerodynamic chin splitter enhance both cooling and downforce, hinting that this isn't just about looks, it's built to move. From the side, the Karmann Ghia's silhouette is a work of art. The familiar teardrop coupe shape returns, now more sculpted, wider, and planted. A long hood flows smoothly into a fastback roofline, while the flared fenders and flush door handles modernize the profile without losing that retro charm. The wheels are massive, futuristic turbines wrapped in performance rubber with a touch of white lettering on the sidewall. Pure classic muscle car vibes, reimagined. At the back, the Ghia keeps the nostalgia flowing with a clean, minimal tail. Full-width, horizontal LED taillights glow like molten lava, matched by a sculpted trunk lid and a louvers-style rear window that screams 1960s sports coupe. Twin exhaust tips and a low diffuser give it a performance edge. But it's that rounded, organic rear bodywork that truly brings the heritage full circle. Underneath this sleek exterior lies the real surprise. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is 100% electric. Powered by Volkswagen's MEB Evo platform, this coupe features dual motors, all-wheel drive capability, and delivers an estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. Battery range? Around 350 miles on a full charge, thanks to a 90 kilowatt-hour pack with ultra-fast 350 kilowatt charging support. That means 10 to 80% in just under 18 minutes at a high-speed charger. The Ghia might have classic curves, but under the skin, it's a high-tech powerhouse. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that's intentionally simple but beautifully modern. A floating digital cluster, customizable ambient lighting, and a leather-wrapped dash greet the driver. The seats are thin yet sporty, hugging the body like a classic GT car, while vintage-inspired toggle switches meet touch-sensitive controls, creating a balance of analog charm and digital convenience. The infotainment system runs on Volkswagen's latest iDOS 3.0 with seamless smartphone integration and voice-activated controls. Even the steering wheel gets a retro-modern treatment, blending a flat bottom shape with chrome and leather detailing. As for price, Volkswagen is expected to position the new Karmann Ghia starting around $52,000, with higher trims possibly crossing the $65K mark, especially with performance or limited edition variants. Targeted at design-conscious drivers, nostalgic collectors, and EV enthusiasts alike, the 2026 Ghia is set to compete with the likes of the Alpine A110 EV, the Tesla Roadster, entry model, and even the electric Mustang Coupe, if Ford ever follows suit. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia isn't just a car, it's a statement. A powerful blend of history and innovation. In a world of copy-paste crossovers, it dares to be different. It dares to be beautiful.
I just wish you knew.
So what do you think? Is this the comeback car of the decade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. More incredible reviews and futuristic throwbacks are coming your way, right here.